Now that we've discussed content, let's look at actually launching the wizard and doing a step-by-step walkthrough of how it works. Now before you launch the wizard, make sure that you pause the scheduler to avoid any interference with submitters and also to minimize the possibility of a crash. To launch the wizard, click the wizard icon located in the menu bar. Now there's a couple of things to note. First, the wizard will save your changes after you click Next once you've completed the basic info tab. You can also make changes to your campaign using the wizard anytime before exporting the campaign. Now that's the very last step. If you have not exported your campaign and want to make changes in the wizard, select the campaign name that you want to edit and just double click New Campaign Wizard Project 1 to pull up the wizard. Once you've exported the campaign, remember this, you cannot make changes to update the current campaign. Now this may be something that the SENuke team is working on and will hopefully fix this problem in the future, but for now, just remember, once you click the export button, you cannot make any changes to that campaign in the wizard. Okay, so let's take a look at a campaign that's already been saved. Now you can see it wasn't exported, therefore you can still edit it using the wizard. An example of a non-editable campaign is one that's already been exported. So as you can see, I can't actually get into this campaign to make any changes using the wizard. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to fill out is the campaign name. Now the campaign name is the name that you're going to see in SENuke's dashboard after the wizard has finished and exported your project. If you're working with multiple websites, use something descriptive of the website name followed by a number to keep your campaigns organized. Or, if you're only working on one website, use a keyword group followed by a number. This will help keep you organized. Now at the bottom of this page, you'll see number of profiles. SENuke gives you the option to create up to 3 profiles for each of your campaigns. This means that if you select 3 profiles, then 3 account creation projects will run after the wizard is finished, and all of the published content will be under these 3 profiles. It is advised to run only 1 profile unless you have a very fast computer and internet connection. The next box you'll want to fill in is the money site details. You need to enter at least one URL for your money site, so be sure to copy and paste the URL directly from your website instead of typing it. This is a standard precaution because if you make just a simple error, then all of these links that you're going to be building using SENuke won't actually reach your site and you won't get any SEO benefit. You also want to make sure that you vary your URLs to make the linking look more natural. Only enter URLs that are optimized for the keywords you are focusing on and only target similar keywords per campaign. Step 4 is to enter the keywords to rank for. Now, you'll notice on this screen that at least one keyword is required, and this keyword should directly relate to the URL that you entered before. And remember, it's a good idea to only focus on 1 to 3 related keywords per campaign. If you have a website that has multiple products or categories, you'll want to set up a campaign for each category. Now, this may seem like a lot of campaigns, especially for a large site. However, you will see improved results by following this simple tactic. It'll keep you organized and will also add more focus to your SEO campaigns. You can see here that the keywords will become the anchor text and will be displayed in the article directories, social networks, press releases, and video directories. They will also be spun with the URLs you've previously entered. One thing you should realize is that these keywords are very similar. They follow a same theme, but you also want to make sure that it appears very natural to the search engines, because search engines do consider how natural your link building appears. If you have thousands of people linking to your websites, then naturally the anchor text should vary dramatically. So if somebody was linking to this site, it might be SENuke X training with capital letters, or SENuke X training with lowercase letters. You can have different URLs, misspellings is another common one, as well as generic phrases like click here. Now you might be wondering why we're saying that you should include phrases like click here. It's all because you want to appear natural to the search engines. Ideally, you do want to focus your efforts on your main keywords, but do sprinkle in these natural appearing links using SENuke. Now, if you're blasting several nukes with the exact same URLs and keywords, the results and the links won't look very natural. So instead, change your links from time to time to help them appear more natural.